The connection between energy and success, the connection between semen retention and stock market. The stock market is not just about numbers. It's about psychology, discipline, and decision-making. Think about IT. Why do most traders lose money? It's not because they lack knowledge. The internet is full of strategies. The real reason is they lack emotional control. They panic when prices fall. They get greedy when prices rise. They chase quick dopamine hits. Now here's where semen retention comes in. Semen is the essence of life. It's your creative energy, your vitality. When you waste it excessively, your body becomes weak, your mind becomes foggy, and your discipline collapses. But when you retain it, that energy is transmuted. It fuels your brain, sharpens your focus, and strengthens your willpower. This is exactly what you need in the market: clarity under pressure, discipline under temptation, and patience during uncertainty. Section 2. Ancient Wisdom. Modern Markets. If you understand timely value of semen retention, you will be leader. Semen retention isn't new. For centuries, kings, philosophers, and warriors practiced it. Ancient texts in Taoism and yoga talk about oyas, the vital energy preserved through semen retention. It was believed that conserving this energy leads to higher intelligence, charisma, and success. Now think about it in modern terms. The stock market is today's battlefield. Traders are warriors with screens instead of swords. And just like ancient warriors needed strength, focus, and calmness before battle, you need the same qualities to face the volatility of the market. Semen retention gives you. Mental clarity gives so you don't fall for fake news or emotional traps. Patience gives so you can wait for the right opportunity instead of rushing. Discipline gives so you stick to your trading plan, no matter what. Section 3. The science behind it. Time is money. You are the maker of your life. Let's bring in some science. When you retain semen, your body increases testosterone levels, which boosts confidence and motivation. Testosterone is directly linked to better risk assessment, sharper memory, greater confidence in decision-making. Also, constant ejaculation floods your brain with dopamine spikes, which can lead to addiction, laziness, and poor impulse control. But when you practice retention, dopamine levels reset, you start enjoying small things again. Your mind becomes calmer. You're less likely to chase quick pleasures, whether that's scrolling social media, junk food, or making impulsive stock trades. Do you see the connection? The same discipline that keeps you away from lustful habits is the discipline that makes you a successful investor. Psychological transformation. The stock market is a mirror. It reflects your inner state. If you're greedy, you'll overtrade. If you're fearful, you'll panic. If you're impatient, you'll chase trends and lose money. But semen retention reprograms your psychology. Here's how. Focus. Instead of wasting energy on constant desires, your mind becomes laser-focused. You can study charts longer, read financial reports carefully, and make rational choices. Confident. You'll walk with more presence. You don't second-guess yourself. When you decide to buy or sell, you do it with conviction. Emotional control. Losses don't shake you. Wins don't inflate your ego. You stay calm, like a monk in the middle of chaos. Long-term thinking. Retention teaches patience. Just like you resist short-term pleasure, you can resist short-term market noise and focus on long-term growth. This psychological transformation is what separates successful investors from gamblers. Famous examples and archetypes. Now, you might be wondering, do successful investors actually practice this? While most won't openly talk about it, history gives us hints. Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors, practiced celibacy to preserve his energy for creation. Many monks, sages, and spiritual leaders who influenced the world practiced semen retention. Do you think Warren Buffett spends his energy chasing lustful pleasures? No, he channels his energy into reading, thinking, and long-term investing. The archetype is the same. Those who master their desires, master the world. And in the modern battlefield of the stock market, mastering yourself is the greatest edge you can have. Practical steps. How to combine semen retention and trading success. So how can you use semen retention to become successful in the stock market? Here's a practical roadmap. Commit to retention. Start with a few weeks, then months. Notice the difference in your focus, energy, and confidence. Daily discipline, along with retention, practice, meditation, journaling, and exercise. This keeps your mind calm and your body strong. Study the market with focus. Use your heightened energy to study fundamentals, technical analysis, and trading psychology. Your brain will absorb knowledge faster. Control impulses. Just like you resist urges, resist impulsive trades. Don't jump into every stock. Wait for the right setup. Think long-term. Use the patience built from retention to hold good investments for years. The greatest wealth in the stock market comes from compounding, not chasing trends. Transmute energy into strategy. Every time you feel strong sexual energy, instead of releasing it, channel it into market analysis, reading books, or working on your trading system. This is sexual transmutation in action. The ultimate edge. Most traders are addicted to dopamine, to excitement, to quick money. That's why they lose. But if you practice semen retention, you're different. You're calm when others are impulsive. You're patient when others are greedy. You're focused when others are distracted. This gives you the ultimate edge. Because success in the stock market isn't about predicting the future. It's about controlling yourself. And semen retention is the most powerful form of self. Before we conclude, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to drop your location in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from. And if you ever have any questions, join our Telegram channel, where we interact directly and help each other grow. The link is in the description.